Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Archana Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video, we are going to continue with the first unit of basic electronics, that is semiconductor diode. So in this video, we will study about Zener diode. Zener diode is a special type of p-n junction semiconductor diode. Its construction is similar to that of the conventional p-n junction diode. The Zener diode can be forward biased or reverse biased. It is a two-terminal device and the terminal are anode and cathode. The arrowhead in the symbol points towards the conventional direction of current through the Zener diode when it is forward biased. So this is the symbol of a Zener diode having the two-terminal anode and cathode. Forward biasing of a Zener diode. When the anode of Zener diode is connected to the positive terminal of DC source and the cathode is connected to the negative terminal, the Zener diode is said to be forward biased condition. The forward biased Zener diode behaves identical to a forward biased diode. The Zener diode is generally not used in the forward biased condition. So when the positive end of the Zener diode connected to positive end of the battery and negative cathode of Zener diode is connected to negative end of the battery, then the biasing is said to be forward biasing. Reverse biasing of a Zener diode. When the anode of Zener diode is connected to the negative terminal of DC source and cathode is connected to the positive terminal, the Zener diode is connected as a reverse bias. Zener diode in the reverse bias condition is used as a voltage regulator. VI characteristic of Zener diode. So this is the graph which shows the forward as well as reverse characteristic of a Zener diode. Forward characteristic of a Zener diode is similar to that of the ordinary silicon p-n junction diode. It indicates that forward current is very small for voltages below knee, that is cut-in voltage, and large for value above the knee voltage. Now reverse characteristic of Zener diode. As the reverse voltage VR is increased in the reverse current, Iz remains negligibly small up to the knee of the curve. At this point, the effect of breakdown process begins. From the bottom of the knee, the breakdown voltage or Zener voltage remains essentially constant. This ability of a diode is called regulating ability and is an important feature of a Zener diode. Following 2 points are important from the characteristic of Zener diode. There is a minimum value of Zener current called break-over current, designated as IZK or IZ minimum, which must be maintained in order to keep the diode in regulation region. There is a maximum value of Zener current designated as IZM or IZmax, above which the diode may be damaged. Now comparison of p-n junction diode and Zener diode. First parameter is symbol. Symbol indicates of p-n junction and Zener diode. Next parameter is doping level. For p-n junction it will be low, for Zener diode it will be high. Next is breakdown voltage. p-n junction diode it has a no sharp reverse breakdown, and in Zener diode it has a quite sharp reverse breakdown. Application of p-n junction diode, it is used in rectification purpose, and Zener diode used in regulation, voltage stabilizer, motor protection and wave shaping circuit. Resistance in reverse bias condition, in p-n junction it will be very high, for Zener diode it will be very small. Direction of conduction, p-n junction conducts only in one direction and Zener diode conducts in both directions. This is the characteristic curve for p-n junction and Zener diode. Application of Zener diode. It is normally used as a voltage reference in voltage stabilizer or shunt regulators, in switching operations, in clipping and clamping circuit, in various protection circuit. Thank you.